He said this and that. Oh, now cut video go dey play. Video when me get full one, where they here. Where be answer to video where you do, where una do. You don't even play your own. All of honor. See the DSS, former DSS this thing. You see wetin they charge am. Support for terrorist group, and on the vex say I go Yam Baba studio talk against Nnamdi Kanu, a terrorist, against him IPOB, a terrorist organization. Person will terrorist will now you Wagaji Ozu will be saying IPOB Biafra something they use build your page. Don't worry, make on how they come. See you now then not me true. No be as on I think it go happen. Everything I said is a response and I never violated any law. I repeat it, I be with this all this on a gang up. You the day where you go lost, pray make your people see your dead body. The day where you go lost. Because now the families of these kind of people now you go disappear on her. Oh, you think say if you cut nonsense now this no, who they give you that advice? Go tell I go know who send on now.
N'izuka nke gara aga ka 2 weeks ago Ijele bịa mee video. N'ime that video kwuru okwu maka Wagaji and Uncle IB. Ozi ihe okwu onwe ihe ọ na-ekwu dat na ọ sịrị na mgbe Uncle IB efu ka make ndị be ha kpekwe ka ndị be ha fuzi because he was supporting Biafra. That was the statement of Ijele. Uncle IB be sue ya in the court. Kulukwa no da no. Uncle IB we say no ya bịa kọwa ka ihe mean by that statement. Because to me that statement is a threat to life. Isolo mmadụ mbosi oyi efu ka ndị be ha fuku ozi ya anya. Because he has a different opinion over something. Enwere ndị adị against Biafra. Ha na-akpa ndụ ndị Muslim. Yes, I will say it. An average Muslim man, core Muslim man, Yebugi maka na ekwetoro na Muhammad. Doesn't regard you as a human being, no Yebugi. So an average person that has support to Biafra, Chogongu, because no fit to him in our support to your job. And everybody are entitled to their opinion. Hello. Then have reason to convince me. That is why ndị mmadụ pụta today na asị na ndị ọcha jide ndị nna nna ya force aka ha jebe ụka. Also ihe nna ajụ ha bụ two questions. Provide a written article or document ndị ọcha force ndị nna nna ya ha jebe ụka, and I will abandon Christianity today. Provide it, gwa m onye mere ya. Provide a written statement for it. An article, documented article, archives from the olden days that shows that Nande Bai was forced to Ijebuka. Because the way I say, I have to say, in a head, and they took my they see you as an Iburon Mali never exist. That is where they are. Then you provide me a video clip, 1 minute, 2 minutes, that shows that na Ndecha force Nande Bai Ijebuka. And then I give you an example. Provide where they have evidences shows na Nande Bai na force hamewe mago lewe hano humewe nka. Mana ndị Bai elebego mmadụ tupu ndị ọcha abịa. Hello. Ndị Bai elebego mmadụ tupu mana ndị ọcha abịazi a modelize ya mmadụ galaba ọnụ. Mantalo gasị now. Go and check. The problem bụ some ndị Bai had investigation. Go and check. Ya na apịa gị wokosi. That's the truth in all of these things. And that's by the way. So Ijele apụtago na ka ọ reply ya Uncle IB. o reply ya Uncle IB say na gịnị me no insist kwa na Uncle IB yefu na mbosobu no yefu na ekpere ka ndị be ha fuozi. So it's battle of the court. The okwu dozi na court na achọrọ m iti on too much. So Ijele je zalizi on ọ bụ na ọ zatara o jebe nga. That's it. Ka ọ dịkwa na mgbe ọzọ ndị be anyị.
My people, you know, many of you, my friends, have sent me some videos. All these umokoko are making that they wrote a petition against me, and I saw videos of some people. It's because of this Osu Wagaji that I even want to give these people a response. This failed entertainer, he failed in the entertainment now. Show me a single show that you say, oh, this is one gigantic show. They sold out this thing, saying Wagaji headliner. It happened. These are people that their careers were dead. People like you, people that did not even make it in their areas of endeavor. No be when their mates go hustling abroad, they go hustling. Idiot who started going abroad, which day? Like Chinese, I'm sure it has to be maybe now. All these people, not eating, all these also in the follow for by like dog. Maybe not then just help them get a Chinese visa. When also Ijele also in China, the bend dog in China. Look at you, the food that wants to bring mouth to me. You go to go. One banchi, see also ET. One bring mouth. Yes, see, I petition for ID. Born and petition. I dey wait for the invitation of the petition, no be for petition. They invite me, I go send lawyer, I go answer them. Tell them to take it straight to court. They go take them to court to go, maybe not. I go bring them, come Abuja. I go bring that case. May they go ask, wetin be his name? Hezekiah Onukog, the pastor of Living Christ Mission. Ask the Okoko deity, the one we open for. Can me bring them, come, let me decide where they judge and now. Why in the wrong? If you like, make him send people finish, saying that those people, me and then they do problem. No, I go start the defense now. We don't know, so most of us follow the case reach now. The case is still there on, and now he go be my number one witness. I go put them for dock, I go dock am. Go bring you, make una go. Take you to them waiting for the invitation. And then send it, I go send lawyer, I go answer them. Take that matter to court. Let us agree. In fact, where are they come first? I've been at the idiot where they say na in writer. They say them na ibi. Also, he said this and that. Oh, now court video go they play. Video when we get full one, where they hear. Where be answer to video where you do, where una do. You don't even play your own. All of them. See the DSS, former DSS this thing. You see wetin they charge them. Support for terrorist group, and on the vex say I go Yam Baba studio talk against Nnamdi Kanu, a terrorist. Against him IPOB, a terrorist organization. Person will terrorist will now. You Wagaji Ozu will be saying IPOB Biafra something they use build your page. Don't worry, make on how they come. See you now then not make you. No be as on I think it go happen. Everything I said is a response and I never violated any law. I repeat it, I be with this all this on a gang up. You, the day where you go lost, pray make your people see your dead body. The day where you go lost. Because now the families of these kind of people, now you go disappear on her. Oh, you think say if you cut nonsense, now this no, who they give an advice? go tell, I go know who send una. If all those politicians, so whomever it will be, when nothing say they go back, make we see their leg for this country, make we see where their leg reach. We go see where their leg reach. The families or these kind of families, these kind of people, now them will disappear on now. Waiting concern now, all you crayfish. Can you do? If I want to do something, I can't announce. You they come on buff wogi or so. I can't announce. I said they wait for only was on there. I they wait for an invitation, not be to write petition. I dey wait for the invitation. You don't start. It don't start. Those people where they send on, those people, ndana katu no di okwe. I ga mo na ha no boda and the born ha ru no boda. We go know. Don't worry. Go bring it on. Only boss on near. Only boss on near. Togo. I get all of an IPOB video. You go, on a no use and go jail, call me bastard. And on I must start this case. So, if I wait for that invitation till certain time, and I mean know the date, I no go talk am openly, then I go write my own. If I wait for an invitation, I go write my own. I go come here, call for donation for my people. We go mobilize people, agency where we go mobilize, write petition. All of on a video, and I go come answer for them. And I go see, una wa hosoman of man.